I want to see how this doohickey works. Can you tell me what it is?
This is our Silica Nexus, or the Prize Nexus for Silica Nexus project. It is a digital vending machine. It vends non-fungible tokens for prize tickets in arcades. So you just, grab the game that you want if the internet catches up to us. Okay. All right. So you grab the item that you want, hit add to cart. There we go. The internet here is fun. Hotel internet.
Hotel internet, guys.
All right, so now I've got 3 different items from 3 different projects. Okay, all in one shopping cart. So we just hit buy now and grab our trusty Trade Binder app. This is our Trade Binder app. It's how they leave the facility with the items. And you just scan this side here. The other side's to download the app. And that's how quickly it moves it. That's 3 different NFTs from 3 different, blockchain companies, all in one shopping cart, and boom, you've got them.
Just like that?
Just like that.
That's awesome.